What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and installing a Rhino Lithium GX500 Soundbar. My first impression just off the box is this is going to be a quality soundbar. They've put a lot of effort just into their packaging for this. They got all their logos on the box, along with what I believe is a diagram of what the soundbar is going to look like. Looking like it's going to be a really nice soundbar by this picture here. Now let's get this opened up. We got the Rhino soundbar unboxed, and Rhino has really put together a nice package. This is a really quality feel soundbar. They've really thought out all the items needed in this package. They're going to give you a fuse block to wire the soundbar to, which in return is wired to your voltage converter. They give you a bag of connections. That way you can get this done properly. You are going to also receive a power cable and a nice cover to go over this cable to keep everything looking nice and clean. You get your mounting brackets, pads, and hardware. They also give you a remote. This is an LED soundbar. It has Bluetooth connectivity. Looking like it's going to be a really great package. Can't wait to get it installed and show you guys. So after filming the unboxing and showing the components that this Rhino soundbar came with, I realized I'm going to need the T-bar brackets in order to mount this soundbar in the Club Car President that we have. So just wanted to show you guys these brackets here that we just acquired for the soundbar. Now we're going to get it installed. All right, we got the soundbar installed with the T-brackets here, made for a nice, easy install. Soundbar is really cool. It's got a lot of lights that flash on it, all from all the speakers, the subwoofer area. You got the LED lights on the rear as well. These are all color changeable. Wired up really nicely. We got the wire loom. We brought it down here, brought it right up here into the voltage converter. Just have your main positive and negative connections. Very straightforward, really easy to get installed. Show you guys what it sounds like.